Have you ever made a inline 12-cylinder before?
He's antsy. Out of the camera. Can you get his face? Hi, I'm Larry Bird. I bit my mama's nose a few minutes ago. She was giving kisses. Look at his stripes. Like, check out his feet. Show his feet. That's a foot. If there ever was one. It's like a raptor. Jurassic Park.
Wow.
His nose used a bomb. Larry Bird.